Hello everyone and welcome back to our Python learning journey. So far, we have understood how Python stores data and how data interacts using operators. Now, it's time to work with one of the most important data types in Python, strings. Strings are everywhere, like names, messages, user inputs, text on websites. In this video, we will understand what strings are, how to work with them, how to slice them, and how to use powerful string methods. And yes, this is where we start working closely with real code. So let's begin. Meet Alex again. Alex now knows how to store data and perform operation. But Alex notices something. Numbers are easy to calculate, true or false are easy to decide, but text feels different. Text cannot be added like numbers, yet Python uses text everywhere. So Alex asks, what exactly is a string and how does Python work with text? A string is simply a sequence of characters. Characters can be letters, numbers, symbols, spaces, like anything. In Python, strings are written inside quotes, either single quotes or double quotes. This tells Python this is a text, not a number. Now Python knows that this data is text. Alex realizes something important. Almost every real program works with text. Usernames, passwords, email, messages, file names. That's why strings are one of the most used data type in Python. Understanding strings properly makes programming much easier. Alex learns something surprising. Python sees a string as a collection of characters, and each character has a position. This position is called as an index. Indexes in Python starts from 0, not from 1. P is at index 0, Y is at index 1, T is at index 2, and so on. This allows Python to access individual characters. Now, Alex wants only a part of the string. Python allows this using slicing. Slicing means cutting a piece of a string. This code gives only that piece of string. Slicing follows this pattern. The start index is included, but the end index is excluded. Alex discovers another feature. Python also supports for negative indexing. This means counting from the end of the string. This prints last character of the string. Negative indexing is very useful when you want characters from the end of a string. Alex now learns a powerful idea. Python strings come with built-in methods. Methods are functions that work constants. They help us to change text, to clean text, to search the text, and to format the text. Let's explore the most important ones. Upper function converts to uppercase. Lower function converts to lowercase. Strip removes extra spaces from the string. These methods are extremely useful when handling user input. Alex wants to check text. Python provides methods like find, count, start tick, end tick, etc. These methods help Python to understand and analyze the text. Alex now wants to change the text. Python makes this easy. Splitting text. These methods are used in data processing and automation. Now Alex learns one of the best features in Python, f-strings. It means formatting strings. They allow Python to combine text and variables in a clean way. This is cleaner, faster, easier to read. That's why F strings are highly recommended. Alex understands something important. Without F strings, code becomes messy. With F strings, code becomes readable and professional. This is what a real world Python developer uses. Let's summarize today's session. String store text, indexing accesses characters, slicing curves with text. String methods manipulate the text. As strings format output cleanly. Once you master strings, you unlock a huge part of Python. This was a big step forward. In the next video, Alex will explore list. We will learn how to store multiple values, access list items, and use list methods. Until then, practice what you learned today. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.